This is Michael Anthony Johnson, and I'm sitting here with Vancell Belcher, and we're here at the Stellar Award events. And I want you to just share with us what's going on with you and the excitement.
I am just here today at the Listeners Lounge, and I just got through ministering. And I'm here at the Stellar Awards just networking and promoting my new single entitled All Right.
All Right.
Yes.
Hey, what has God been speaking to you?
Into my heart in these days to be encouraged and not to give up. Because like a preacher spoke into my life about 3 weeks ago, he said, the no names will be the names.
That's right.
And God is doing a new move, and all we have to do is persevere and walk in faith and continue to do what he has called us to do, and not be concerned about what's going on around us, but stay in our lane and stay focused on our goals and our dreams and our aspirations.
Tell us about what God's been doing in that, with that word persevere in your life.
God has been opening doors for me to move around the United States and some out of the United States to do his ministry, to do the ministry that he has given entrusted in me. And and I appreciate him for that, because he don't have to entrust his gift and his anointing within me. And right now, like I said, I'm working on my 4th project, and I'm just looking for the Lord to continue to open those doors. I want the doors that he wants me to go in, not just any door, but the door that suits my ministry that he has given me. Because my main goal is that for people to be healed, delivered, and set free. You have a goal, dream, or aspiration within you, first of all, get you a good church home. Eat the word. The word is what make you. The word is what strengthens you. I have an awesome man of God, Pastor Vincent Campbell, back in Atlanta, Georgia. And I go and I get the word. And another thing, if you want to be blessed, what God bless you with, give him what is owed to him. Pay your tithe, give your offering, and give your man of God. Bless your man of God. That's a blessing in blessing your man of God. Also, you have to stand in faith. This is a faith walk. Especially when you're an independent artist like myself, you're self-supported, you don't have nobody plant no seed, nobody investing into your ministry. You have to stand in faith and know without a shadow of a doubt that God has put this appointment on my life, and I'm going to walk in faith, and I'm going to make my God proud with the gift he's given me.
Support this artist. My name is Michael Anthony Johnson, and we want you to support Vancell Belcher. Go out and get her product and check out the new single, All Right. Thank you so much for visiting with us on NICOM TV and Radio and Centertainment TV and Radio. Thank you so much.
God bless.